The Deep Navy Sport Loop, one of Apple's wide variety of new colors this season. It's $49 and is available in all sizes for all generation Apple Watches. I did an unboxing video of this last weekend, link in the description if you missed it. I'll be giving you my honest review, including matching watch faces, practicality, and what to wear with it to help you see if it works for you or not. Give it a like if it helps and subscribe for more. Let's open it. I predict this being one of the most popular sport loops this season. Gotta love those mix of colors. It's a toned down kind of cool, being prominently dark with a decent touch of color. It gives it a personality without being too bright or intense. Navy's a color you wear when you want to wear dark, but still want to show a shed of blue. It pleasantly makes people want to look closer. The orange is slightly pale, but still rich enough to have presence. Maybe that's Apple's latest Kumquat color. And the light blue edge balances the two. It brings together this nice sporty color blocking. After sliding in both ends with a metal piece on the inside, put your hand through the loop and pull to tighten. Then close it with a Velcro end. As expected from Apple, it's good quality, comfortable, and Velcro strong. Though I do notice this season, you need to press harder on the Velcro for it to hold stronger. Is there anyone that experienced that same thing? Let me know in the comments. It is breathable compared to your other options, so sweating's fine, but I hate getting it soaked because it retains water. Navy can be tricky to match and those edges might add to that. Let's see what goes with it. First of all, it is a sport loop, so it's perfect with activewear. But it also works with everyday casual wear. The easiest trick is to use any color in the band or the family of that color. Shades of gray work when mixing it with other colors. But the most clever is to choose a less prominent one, this case being the light blue. If choosing navy, go for a lighter, darker shade so it's not flat. This creates more depth. Same with blue jeans, the more texture you add, the more depth it creates. Sport loops are great with graphics and patterns, but some patterns clash with it, like stripes and check. And when in doubt, just go for a neutral color. So far I've been able to match it with so many watch faces. Again, use any color on it as a guide. With all the color blocking, it's already busy, so I personally opt for the simple ones. But with the right mix of colors, I can go for the busy ones. Somehow, rainbow faces give it a nice pop. White makes for a nice contrast. My favorite is actually GMT for seeing those complications, and typograph, rounded in both types of dials. The color watermelon seems to color block with it. And black watch faces are always the safest. In conclusion, I thought this would be the band I could possibly match with everything, but no matter how much I love it, it's only gonna match a couple of things. So it won't be my everyday, just maybe my every other day. I hope this helps. If so, give it a like and subscribe for more. My next goal is 400 subscribers by the end of the month. I'm so close. I appreciate all the support. Thanks for watching.